How to use promo code in Polybuzz AI. So first of all, go ahead to Polybuzz AI, and from there what you can do is hidden towards your profile icon. So in order to use such promo code, you can simply enter the code you've got in order to receive different gifts and for premium purchases. So you can simply hidden towards the gear icon at the top right of your screen. So once you're in that gear icon, you can see there is like once you refresh the settings, you'll be able to see the promo code option. So simply press on that promo code option, and once you're inside the promo code option, you'll be able to go ahead and view different features like poly chat with friends, and you can unlock different kinds of things through promo code. So there are some different features like ultimate, basic, premium, and different other things. So you can simply go ahead, enter the promo code if you've got, and once you enter the promo code, your reward will get integrated to the account instantly. That's how you do it. Hopefully the information was helpful. Thank you.